Today, I am reviewing the XTOOL D8S AI-assisted bidirectional OBD2 scanner. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you have ever been frustrated by a dashboard lighting up like a Christmas tree and had no idea where to start, you know that a basic code reader just doesn't cut it anymore. Today, I am looking at the XTOOL D8S, a bidirectional scanner that promises professional-grade diagnostics without the professional-grade price tag. I have been putting this tablet through its paces in the garage for the last few weeks, using it on everything from a daily-driven sedan to a project truck that has been sitting for years, and I have some clear thoughts on where it shines and where it might fall short for your specific needs. If you want to check the current pricing or see if it is compatible with your specific vehicle, you can take a look at the links below this video. Let's start with the build and the interface because that is where you spend all your time. The D8S feels like a solid, workshop-ready tool. It has an 8-inch touchscreen that is responsive enough, and the hardware inside, a quad-core processor with 64 gigabytes of storage, keeps things moving quickly. It does not feel like a cheap toy, and the inclusion of a rear kickstand is a small detail that actually makes a big difference when you are working under the hood and need to see the screen clearly. The standout feature here is the topology mapping. If you have ever dealt with a complex network issue where multiple modules are throwing codes, you know how maddening it is to chase ghosts. The topology screen gives you a bird's-eye view of your vehicle's entire network. It shows you exactly which modules are communicating and which ones are offline, which saves you an incredible amount of time compared to scrolling through long, confusing lists of fault codes. It makes the diagnostic process visual and logical, which is a massive win for DIYers who are trying to step up their game. When it comes to the actual diagnostic power, the bidirectional capabilities are legitimate. I was able to trigger fuel pumps, cycle cooling fans, and test individual injectors without any lag. The AI-assisted diagnosis is an interesting addition, though you should treat it as a helpful advisor rather than an infallible mechanic. It analyzes the fault codes and provides potential solutions, which is great for narrowing down your search, but it is not a replacement for actual diagnostic knowledge. It is a tool for efficiency, not a replacement for a technician's intuition. If you are curious about the full list of supported active tests, check the links below to see if your vehicle is covered. Now, let's talk about the maintenance functions. With over 42 service resets, including things like EPB, BMS, and ABS bleeding, this covers 99% of what a home mechanic or a small shop will ever need. I used the throttle body relearn and the steering angle sensor reset on a couple of different cars, and it performed these tasks without a hitch. The software is stable, and I haven't run into any freezing issues, which is a common complaint with cheaper scanners. However, there are some realities you need to be aware of. First, while the coverage is massive, it is not infinite. No scanner supports every single feature on every single car made since 1996. You might find that a specific coding function works on a BMW, but is limited on an older domestic model. This is why I always tell people to check the VIN compatibility before you buy. You can use the links below to check your specific make and model to ensure you are getting the features you actually need. Also, while the interface is straightforward, if you are coming from a simple $10 code reader, there is a learning curve. You are dealing with a professional-level diagnostic system, so expect to spend a little time getting familiar with the menus. The value proposition here is really strong. You are getting 3 years of free updates, which is generous considering how often car software changes. Even after the updates expire, the tool keeps working, which is a huge relief compared to other brands that effectively brick your device if you stop paying subscription fees. The inclusion of support for newer protocols like CAN-FD and DoIP means this tool is actually built for the future, not just for the cars of the past. So, who is this for? If you're a serious DIYer who wants to stop guessing and start fixing, or if you run a small independent shop that needs a reliable, secondary diagnostic tool, the D8S is a fantastic choice. It bridges the gap between those entry-level scanners that just give you a code and the $5,000 systems that are overkill for most people, who should avoid it. If you only need to clear a check engine light once a year, this is probably more power than you need. You would be better off with a basic Bluetooth dongle and a phone app. But if you are tired of paying diagnostic fees at the dealership or you are constantly fighting electrical gremlins in your vehicles, the D8S is going to pay for itself very quickly. I have been genuinely impressed with how stable the software is and how much information it pulls from the vehicle's computer. It is not perfect, no scanner is, and you'll still need to do your own research and verify the data, but it is a massive step up from anything else I have used in this price bracket. If you have been on the fence about upgrading your diagnostic setup, this is a solid, practical, and honest investment. Again, check the links below to see the current price and explore the feature set for your specific vehicle. It has earned a permanent spot in my tool chest for a reason.